Welcome to CreditFixrr. We've designed this platform to make managing and improving your credit simpler and more effective. Let's take a quick tour to see how each feature can support your financial journey. Dispute Summary. First, here's the Dispute Summary. This section allows you to track your dispute progress quickly and easily. You'll see details on disputes created, sent, and unsent, as well as which accounts are in dispute or deleted. To keep up to date, simply click Sync Stats to refresh your dashboard with the latest information. Credit Score Summary. Next, we have your Credit Score Summary. This section shows scores from TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, including recent changes to each score. With CreditFixrr, you'll always have the latest updates on your credit health. CreditFixrr Success Checklist. To keep you organized, we've included the CreditFixrr Success Checklist. It guides you step-by-step through essential actions, like adding personal information, importing your credit report, and setting credit goals. Completed tasks turn green, giving you a clear picture of your progress. Personalization and insights. CreditFixrr also personalizes your experience. By setting your credit score goals and updating personal information, you'll receive insights tailored to your needs. Credit statistics and credit analysis. After importing your credit report, you can explore the credit statistics and analysis sections for a deeper understanding of factors affecting your score. Get insights into factors like inquiries, late payments, derogatories, and public records. Dispute Center. Welcome to the Dispute Center, where you can manage every aspect of your disputes. From security freeze disputes to consumer law disputes, this section empowers you to tackle all kinds of credit issues. Let's discuss the Dispute Letter Tracker. The Unsent Disputes section shows letters that have been drafted but not sent. Here you'll see the letter type, creditor name, dispute round, and number of disputed items. Use the action buttons to send, preview, download, print, or delete letters. Save time with bulk actions. Select multiple letters to send, mark as sent, or delete them all at once. It's the fastest way to manage multiple disputes efficiently. The Sent Disputes section tracks letters that have already been mailed. View details like the date sent, dispute round, and due dates. Use the icons to follow up, download, email, or delete sent letters. The Completed Disputes section tracks resolved disputes. It shows the letter type, creditor, and final round. Use the action icons to view responses or archive completed disputes for record keeping. The Disputes section gives you a snapshot of all your disputes, including created, sent, in progress, and deleted accounts. Here's the Received Reply tab. The Received a Reply tab is designed to streamline the process of managing responses from credit bureaus or creditors. It consists of 3 main steps that guide users in documenting replies and marking any resolved disputes. The Follow-up tab simplifies the process of creating follow-up letters for unresolved disputes. This ensures continuity in addressing items that have not been resolved in previous dispute rounds. Thank you for exploring CreditFixrr. With easy tracking, a personalized checklist, and real-time updates, you're ready to take charge of your credit. Let's get started on your path to better financial health. And remember, you are the CreditFixrr.